Special Economic Zone of Arun Lhokseumawe, or SEZ of Arun Lhokseumawe, is an integrated industrial area that comes with the concept of a one-stop hub service at the western gate of Indonesia. It is located in a location that is very close to export destination countries, especially ASEAN. So, developing the SEZ of Arun Lhokseumawe into a green industrial area is very important. The synergy of Indonesian state-owned enterprises to support the development of the SEZ of Arun Lhokseumawe into a green energy zone was realized through the signing of the Head of Agreement for Capital Participation in PT Patriot as the Development and Management Business Entity, or BUPP, of the SEZ of Arun Lhokseumawe. In this agreement, PT Pertamina, along with other state-owned enterprises, namely PT Pupuk Iskandar Muda, PT Pelindo, and PT Pembangunan Aceh, took on a strategic role. The SEZ is divided into 5 potential zones to be developed, namely industrial zones, logistic zones, export processing zones, energy zones, and tourism zones. In the petrochemical industry, PT Pupuk Iskandar Muda is committed to developing green industry in order to support the government's net zero emission program by 2060. The President of the Republic of Indonesia has designed the Iskandar Muda Industrial Area, or IMIA, as a green industry cluster or GIC location. Pupuk Iskandar Muda has an effective vacant land area of 100 hectares that can be utilized by investors for green industry development. In addition, there will be a green hydrogen plant with a capacity of 35,000 tons per year, or around 180,000 tons per year in the form of green ammonia.
Saat ini kita sudah mencetuskan lahan ini untuk pengembangan green industry. Lokasi kita sangat dekat sebenarnya dengan dengan negara-negara tujuan ekspor dan juga berada di Selat Malaka yang merupakan transportasi laut yang paling padat di dunia.
Meanwhile, Perta Arun Gas focuses on providing clean energy for the SEZ of Arun Lhokseumawe through LNG regasification and LNG hub facilities. In 2022, PAG has supplied 52,559 BBtu for PLN's power plants in Aceh and North Sumatra, supplying gas for Pupuk Iskandar Muda's fertilizer plant and industries in North Sumatra. The utilization of LNG will provide security of clean energy supply, also in line with efforts towards net zero emission 2060. Meanwhile, PT Pelindo also takes the role of developing the business through export-import activities. So far, there have been many export-import activities through reports such as exporting palm shells to Japan, crude palm oil to China and India, equipped with various facilities such as shipberth, docks, loading and unloading equipment, and other supporting facilities. PT Pelindo has also met the requirements of environmental impact analysis and waste handling.
Lahan yang ada di Pelindo ini, yang merupakan bagian kawasan ekonomi ini, secara keseluruhan ada 38 hektar. Kurang lebih ada 13 hektar yang tidak terpakai dan itu bisa kita berdayakan, optimalkan untuk digunakan sebagai lahan storage ataupun sebagai tempat konsolidasi logistik yang akan diekspor ataupun kegiatan domestik.
Investors or existing tenants who conduct business development in the Arun Lhokseumawe Special Economic Zone, or SEZ, will receive facilities and convenience in terms of taxation, customs and excises, goods traffic, employment, immigration, land and spatial planning, and business licenses. Tax holidays and tax allowance are 2 facilities that are of great interest to investors. The business licensing process in the SEZ of Arun Lhokseumawe will be assisted by the administrator, a work unit tasked with serving the licensing and non-licensing process. The administrator will assist investors in business licensing after receiving investment recommendations issued by PT Patriot Nusantara Aceh as the development and management agency of the SEZ of Arun Lhokseumawe.
Apa multi efek yang didapat oleh investor di sini? Ini akan mendapat fasilitas one service administrasi untuk pengurusan oleh administrator dan kita hanya dia mengisi LOI saja.
Special Economic Zone are areas specifically designed by the government to encourage investment, industrial growth, and job opportunities. Aceh open for investment. Visit and start your business in Aceh.